Well, good morning and welcome to Double K Home Projects. Well, today we are getting ready to power wash this sidewalk right here. Through here, I've got my power washer hooked up to my hose over the sidewalk, of course, but we'll try to make do with that. And then I've got my wand right there. We got to come around here and we are literally going to run the power washer off my old generator here, my old Honda EU 2000. So let's go ahead and get that started up here and we'll get going here. Let's turn it on. Okay, we'll go ahead and choke it. I'm saying it doesn't need choked. There we go. All right. Now, I've already had this warming up this morning, so I can go ahead and hit my eco mode there in the front. Idles it down, and it will rev up on demand. I've never run it before off of this, so we will give it a try. All right, we got that on, we got the water on. First thing we have to do is we have to make sure we've got pressure and get all the air out of the line. While we're doing that, I'll go ahead and water some of these flowers with it. That desperately need it. Plus my weeds need some water. Where everything is just so dry. So we decided to go ahead and try this on this sidewalk. So what I got to do first really is I need to wet it, and then I'm going to actually scrub it with some Dawn, just to kind of loosen it up a little bit. The mosquitoes are out in the middle of the day. Mosquitoes are bad this year now. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it works. Are you gonna work? Let's go. I think I need to probably reset it. Let's see. Okay, I reset it. Let's see if it will actually work off of this generator. It is. Oh my goodness, that's going to clean up good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and fan out and just get it wet. Okay. This sun will dry it out really fast, I'm sure. Okay, let's scrub that part. I'm just going to let it soak with some Dawn dish soap. We will see how that works. Loosening it up a little bit. I don't want to put too much. I'll have this stuff everywhere. You know? Okay. Just trying to get her soaking in here. Just to try to help loosen that dirt up some. I'm sure this pressure washer will just blow it right off there, but I'd rather it come off a little easier than not easy, you know. I'm pretty impressed so far with the way that took that stuff off of there on this step. That top step doesn't look too bad. All right, let's go on back with it here. A couple more. That hose is going to be in the way, but it definitely revs that generator up. Gosh, man. All right, we've got the Harleys out today. Everybody watch out. All right, let's suds that up a little bit. Hate that I have my hose over the thing. I'll just have to move it because my hose access is coming from one side and the electric from the other. I could have put my generator over on the other side, but I didn't want it exposed to the road here. Boy, if I take a break, I don't have to move it, you know, because if it's not locked down around this place, it tends to disappear really fast. Living right here on a main road, I'm gonna jump out of the car and just grab it. Probably been better if I did this in the afternoon after the sun was over the house, but this is what we got so far. Okay? All right, I have 2 more to do down there, but I am going to go ahead and start pressure washing this. Okay? Let's go ahead and get started up here. Woo, man. Okay, what we got going on here? Am I wrapped around something here? This hose really stiff. Okay, let's try that again. Gee whiz, man. Tearing up my flowers too. Huh. Looks like there's some old paint on this stuff. These things may have been painted at one time. Who knows? Cleaning her up, but boy, it is hot out here. Wow. It's cleaning it. I think that's going to look good. Ugh, getting mud. Trying to do this without hitting the mud there, hard to do. Really impressed with it. Got to move stuff around. Oh, I don't think it's doing too bad here. Boy, it really is looking good. I am really impressed with this little power washer. I think it's a good investment. All right, we're back in business here. It does a good job. It really does. Ugh. Man, it also blows it right back in your face. Okay, spray her this way now. Okay, off and running again. I've got the power washing done. I got my equipment put away. At some point in this video, my camera quit working. So let's take a look and see what we've got. I just got all this done. Got it all power washed. So I think this is where I'm going to end the video today. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment, and ring that notification bell before you leave, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.